Okay, rhythm quiz number 4. Let's check it out. The same process. Let's write in the counting and then we'll clap it. So let's first look at this bottom number. Ooh, we're talking about eighth notes here. How many eighth notes? 4 eighth notes in every measure. So how many eighth notes in a quarter note? Well, there are 2. Okay. Now over here, we have 16th notes. Okay. So these are twice as fast as eighth notes. So that means we get to count them like this. 3 and 4 and. Looks familiar, doesn't it? It's almost like we're counting eighth notes, but we're not because look, like we're counting eighth notes in 4/4 time, right? But we're not doing that. We're now in 4/8 time. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. Can you guess what this is? This must be 1 and to follow the same pattern. This must be 2, an eighth note by itself. And there are 2 eighth notes here, 3, 4. Look at this. Here we have the 16ths again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's like a math problem, really. Here's 1 and 2, 3, and here's 4, but we have that tie, so put that together, make that part of that, okay? Here's how it sounds. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Good, let's try the next one. That looks a lot easier, but let's look at the numbers first. So now we're counting half notes. Yes, and there's 4 of them in every measure, 4 half notes. So, well, there's a half note, so that's beat 1. Another half note beat 2. These are twice as fast, aren't they, the quarter notes? So that must be 3. And here's 4. Now we start over. 1, but up, there's that tie, so put those together. Here's 2. And there's 3 and 4. There's another tie. Put those together right there. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Don't forget that we're still counting half notes here. That's why I did these twice as fast. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Half notes again. Another half note, another half note. And this combines 2 half notes. And it sounds like this. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if I played it on a piano so you could see how it's different with the ties. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. I hope that helps.